Hi there, welcome to JD Answers. Today we'll be going over the Pathinglek A7 dash camera car installation. Before we begin, I want to thank you for supporting this channel by hitting the subscribe button, selecting all notifications, and thank you for your thumbs up. Now I will show you step by step on how I installed the Pathinglek A7 dash camera in my vehicle. Okay, so we're going to grab the suction cup from the dash camera and put it in the desired location, which is usually under the rear view mirror. Okay, once you put it in there, there's a lever on the top of it. Just push it towards the windshield and it will lock it in place. Then grab the dash camera and insert it into the slot that connects the dash camera to the suction cup. Position to a desired location. Make sure the camera lens is pointing to the front of the hood. As you can see, the motion detection is already set on, and the video has started recording, and it will turn on momentarily. Then you get the mini USB cable, plug it into the dash camera, and then route it to the center of the rear view mirror holder. And in a second, I'll just show you. It's going to be turning the video. As you can see, a different location. Mine rear view mirror does come with cord management control holder, which I'll insert it into there. Then in between the windshield and the top liner is a little opening there where you just simply push the cord into there, the mini USB cord. As you can see how it just simply goes in. You with your other hand just push it in there. And it goes in very easy. Sometimes it may fall out while you're installing it, but just simply put it back. It's that easy. Now I'm going to adjust the camera. I'm going to go to a different view where you can see I have inserted into the pillar of the car. I'm going to insert it to an opening, push it in there. It gets very tight to your fingers, so just be careful not to pinch yourself. So just push it in there. Simply got to do. Move it out. You're not going to hurt the car. And then push it in between the pillar and the top liner. And you can see it went in there. I got a little opening there, some cord hanging out, but I'll push that in later. Okay, so different view camera, you see where the pillar is sticking out and the molding is not in there. So I'm going to put the molding back on top of the pillar, and I'm just going to run my fingers down with the cord first to help me guide it. Here we go. You see the cord and the molding of the pillar. I'm going to grab the cord, put it in front on the way down, and I'll just simply push it in with my other finger and just run it through. See how easy that is. Remember, all cars are different, all moldings are different, all pillars are different, so you just got to work with your car to figure out a way to get in there. Most of the time, it's very easy like this. All right, I got it all the way to the bottom. Simply here, this is the easy part because you just push it in and it automatically hides between the panel and the dashboard. And on the right kick plate of the car, I'm just going to push it right behind there, the mini USB cable. Okay, now here, all cars are different. You could put it behind the carpet and all the way to the center console. My car is different. My outlet is further towards the driver's side seat in between there. So I gotta get some cord length. So I'm going to push it underneath this light. There's some wires there where it's going to hide it for me, and then this side panel, I'm just going to pop it out. Your car's different. You probably don't need to do this, but if you do, these side panels just simply come out. I'm going to push it behind some other wires to hold the wire down, and then I'm just going to put the side panel back on. And here you got the wire where I'm just going to simply grab the wire and plug it in. It's pretty much that simple. I'm sorry to show you the part where I put the panel back, but easy. I took it out, I put it back in. Then I go back to verify the work. Make sure the center wire management is in. And that's it. You can see all the wires there. It's that simple. The hard part is just between the molding and the pillar. And again, your outlet is usually underneath the radio, but mine wasn't. And you can see where it's turned on. The cord on top, it's already started recording.
So what did you think? Wasn't too hard, right? I hope this was enough information that you needed to install your dash camera into your vehicle. If you still haven't purchased it yet, I provided Amazon links for you to purchase in the description down below. Now, so remember, the dash camera does not come with a micro SD card. A Class 10 micro SD card is needed to record any videos. I also provided links for the micro SD card in the description down below. And the maximum storage space the dash camera can use is a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.